Want to lose weight without starving yourself or spending endless hours in the gym? You're in the right place. Today, I'll share 7 natural weight loss tips that actually work and can be started today. Watch till the end because I'll reveal a simple bonus hack that speeds up results even faster. Tip 1. Start your day with water. Drinking 1 to 2 glasses of water first thing in the morning wakes up your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and helps control cravings. Plus, hydration is often the missing link in weight loss. Tip 2. High protein for fat loss. Protein keeps you full, prevents overeating, and even boosts calorie burn through digestion. Add eggs, lean meat, or Greek yogurt to every meal and see how it cuts down snacking. Tip 3. Cut liquid calories. Stop drinking your calories. Sodas, fruit juices, and even fancy coffees add sugar bombs to your day. Swap them for water, green tea, or black coffee. Tip 4. Neat movement. You don't have to work out for hours. Simple daily movement, like taking stairs, walking 10 minutes after meals, or standing instead of sitting, burns hundreds of extra calories. Tip 5. Sleep and stress. Lack of sleep and stress hormones like cortisol make fat loss harder. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep and practice stress-busting habits like meditation or even 5 minutes of deep breathing. Tip 6. Eat mindfully. Slow down while eating. Pay attention to every bite. This simple trick reduces overeating and improves digestion. Tip 7. Start small and stay consistent. Instead of overhauling your life overnight, focus on 1 or 2 habits, like drinking more water or adding a protein snack. Small wins build momentum and long-term success. If you want to speed up your results with a structured plan, I've linked a powerful training program in the description. It's beginner-friendly, simple to follow, and has helped thousands lose weight naturally. Go check it out!